Hello, and welcome to the project document tutorial on how to use the project document that is generated for your project using the Rockwell Automation Connected Components Accelerator Toolkit. This is the project document. If you look at the top, you can notice that it has the same name as whatever you name the project during the beginning of these tutorials. The project document provides a central place for project documentation, and it provides links to each of the project documents. Notice same name also has the same project notes that I entered in on the Machine Basics page. Scrolling down, second to last page. Links Summary. This table summarizes any useful links that may be of aid to you on the Rockwell Automation sites. This is the name/product summary. It holds all the name of the products that you entered in before. Some are generic, like Disconnect 1, DIN-Rail 1. Others are what we named them: Conveyor 1, Sponge 1A, Separator, Heat Tunnel. Going back to the top, the project folder links. This is the table that holds the project folder links. The left-hand column contains direct links to the various project files. The right-hand column provides a summary of the file and contains a link to the section of the project document with more information. Also included in this table is a link to search for your local distributor. You can view your reference documents here, like the Bill of Materials and Proposal Works, the Quick Start Guides, the CAD drawings, and the logic program for your project, or you can view it through your project folder. I will review these documents in the project folder in the next video. But do remember that you can also view them through the links in this document. This part of the document goes through and explains the process of CCAT and what all happens when generating and developing your project. This is a good overview of CCAT and how it works as a whole, but the information has no specifics to your project. This is a good thing to read over if you ever get lost. It will explain how to do certain things with CCAT with your project. The programming summary part of project notes goes over all the programming detail about CCW. This again is basic information of each topic covered, but none of your specific project details are incorporated into this section. This will just help you to work through CCW and all that is included in your project. This concludes the tutorial for the project document. To continue with this project and learn how to review other documents created in the project folder, select the next video, Reference Documents. Thank you for watching the project document tutorial for the Connected Components Accelerator Toolkit.